Hello and welcome to this Keepnet knowledge video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your direct email creation the default option when you're sending a phishing campaign. To do this, we're going to go on the left-hand side, scroll down into company settings, and then on the fourth tab along into direct email creation. From here, you can see that this one has already been set as default because it has the blue star there. To do that, we're going to go into the three dots and we're going to click on Make Default. This means that every single time that you're running a new phishing campaign, direct email creation is selected by default and you don't have to change that each time. It's going to streamline a lot of the work that you're doing with your phishing campaigns and remove some of the errors that could potentially happen moving forward when you're running your campaigns. If you have any questions, please let us know, and best of luck with all the campaigns that you're running.